Thomas, thank you for getting us the lanterns. Why the long face, Thomas?
Well, I wasn't number 1 today. I was late.
Ah, well, it is nice to be on time, but it's more important to come through when others are depending on you.
Really? I haven't felt or looked like the number 1 train all day.
But Thomas, you're not number 1 because of a number painted on your side. You're number 1 because I can count on you.
Really?
Oh, dear. Now we both need a washing up.
Edward chuffed into Knapford, pulling the old carriage. Sir Topham Hatt could not believe his eyes.
Oh, my! I remember this. Every year, on my birthday.
Happy birthday, sir!
Sir Topham Hatt smiled.
What a marvelous surprise! Thank you, Thomas. Thank you, Winston. I can see you have both had a really useful day.
And that made Thomas and Winston.
Billy, he chuffed, the Fat Controller will be very pleased you finished all your jobs. Thomas started to puff away.
Thomas, bubbled Billy, you're not a bossy boiler. You're a really useful engine, and I really enjoyed working with you.
Thomas felt very happy. Billy wasn't a silly Billy anymore. And Thomas had made a really good friend.
Friends, James, Edward, and Gordon tooted and hooted with happiness. Sir Topham Hatt jumped for joy in James's cab.
Thomas!
Sir Topham Hatt's hat flew high in the air and into the mist. Thomas was worried.
Sir, your hat!
But Sir Topham Hatt beamed.
Don't worry, I can find another hat, but I'll never find another Thomas.
Thomas smiled from bumper to buffer.
I have so much to tell you, sir.
I owe you an apology. I played a trick on you and made a scrap monster to scare you. I'm so sorry, Percy.
And I'm sorry, too. I should have listened when you told me about the monster. I should have believed you. I hope we're still friends. Of course we are. We all are. I am so sorry, sir. It's all my fault. I know it is.
Thomas, there's nothing to be sorry about. I'm proud of you. Ryan told me everything. I know you did your best to stop that pirate getting away.
I wasn't quick enough to save the treasure, sir.
Please don't worry about the treasure, Thomas. My engines are much more important